Far beneath the Pacific Ocean lies the Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth. It is a world so dark that sunlight has never reached its bottom, a place where the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. And yet, life exists here. Strange, terrifying, and fascinating life forms that seem to belong on another planet. Today, we journey into the unknown to discover the top 10 strangest creatures found in the Mariana Trench. From glowing predators to living fossils, each one will challenge everything you thought you knew about life on Earth. So hold your breath, because we are diving into the abyss. The anglerfish is one of the most terrifying predators of the deep. It survives in total darkness by carrying its own lantern, a glowing lure that dangles from its head. This light is produced by bioluminescent bacteria, and it works like a trap. Smaller fish, attracted to the glow, swim closer, and then it's too late. The anglerfish has a mouth filled with sharp, needle-like teeth. It can open its jaws wide enough to swallow prey nearly its own size. In the Mariana Trench, where food is scarce, this adaptation is essential. It eats whatever it can find, whenever it can catch it. What's even stranger is its mating behavior. The tiny male anglerfish attaches itself to the much larger female, fusing with her body. He becomes nothing more than a living sperm bank, while she roams the dark ocean, a truly alien form of life, hidden deep below the waves. At first glance, the Dumbo octopus looks almost cute. Named after Disney's Dumbo the elephant, this deep-sea octopus has two ear-like fins that flap as it swims gracefully through the abyss. But don't let its soft appearance fool you. This creature lives at depths of over 7,000 meters, where the water pressure is more than 700 times what we experience on the surface. Few animals can survive in such extreme conditions, yet the Dumbo octopus thrives here. It feeds on small crustaceans and worms, swallowing its prey whole. Unlike many other octopuses, it does not squirt ink, because in the pitch-black world of the trench, ink would be useless. Watching the Dumbo octopus drift silently through the darkness is like seeing a ghost dance in slow motion, a gentle survivor in one of Earth's most hostile places. Most amphipods are tiny shrimp-like creatures, barely a few millimeters long. But in the depths of the Mariana Trench, scientists discovered something shocking. Giant amphipods, more than 20 times larger than normal. Some specimens measure up to 30 centimeters, about the size of a human hand. Why they grow so large in the deep sea is still a mystery. Some believe it is due to a phenomenon known as deep-sea gigantism. These creatures survive by scavenging. They wait for pieces of dead animals called marine snow to fall from the ocean's surface, sometimes even entire whale carcasses. In the darkness of the trench, they swarm like underwater vultures, cleaning up whatever they can find. Imagine dropping a trap into the deepest part of the ocean, only to pull it back filled with oversized, alien-looking shrimp. That is exactly what scientists experienced, a discovery that proves life can take unexpected forms. Now, let's look at something even stranger. Xenophyophores are single-celled organisms, but unlike most single cells, they are massive, growing as large as dinner plates. They live at extreme depths, including the Challenger Deep, the very bottom of the Mariana Trench. Their bodies are like delicate, spongy structures, filtering toxic heavy metals from their environment. Some researchers believe Xenophyophores may provide shelter for other tiny creatures, creating miniature ecosystems in the deep. Their existence challenges our understanding of what a single cell can be.
Imagine one cell, but so large you can see it with your eyes. In the pitch-black trench, even the smallest forms of life can be extraordinary.
The frilled shark is often called a living fossil. It has survived for over 80 million years, looking almost exactly as it did in prehistoric times. This strange shark has a long eel-like body and a mouth filled with over 300 backward-facing teeth. Its name comes from the frilly gill structures around its neck, which give it a terrifying appearance. It lurks silently in the darkness, ambushing prey such as fish and squid. Its long jaws allow it to strike suddenly, swallowing creatures whole. Scientists believe the frilled shark may be one of the oldest species still living on our planet, a window into the distant past. To see one swimming in the abyss is like looking back in time.
The dragonfish is one of the most fearsome hunters of the deep. Its long, slender body glows with bioluminescent organs. But its greatest weapon is its ability to produce red light, a color invisible to most deep-sea creatures. This makes the dragonfish an invisible assassin. It can see its prey without being seen. Its teeth are transparent, almost invisible in the darkness, and when it strikes, it swallows its prey whole. Despite its monstrous appearance, the dragonfish is relatively small, about the size of a banana. But in the deep ocean, size does not matter. What matters is survival, and the dragonfish is perfectly designed to survive.
For centuries, sailors told stories of sea monsters, enormous tentacled beasts capable of dragging ships into the depths. Those stories may have been inspired by the giant squid. This mysterious creature can grow longer than a school bus. Its eyes are the largest in the animal kingdom, as big as dinner plates, allowing it to see in near total darkness. The giant squid is rarely seen alive. Most of what we know comes from carcasses washed ashore or found in fishing nets. But every sighting is a reminder that our oceans are home to legends made real. Some believe the Mariana Trench may hide even larger squid still undiscovered. What else lurks in the shadows of the deep? Perhaps one of the strangest creatures ever found is the Barreleye fish. Its most unusual feature is its head, completely transparent. Inside its glass-like skull are two bright green tubular eyes. These eyes can rotate, allowing the fish to look forward, upward, or sideways. In the deep ocean, this gives it an incredible advantage. It can spot prey above while still swimming forward. Discovered by scientists using deep-sea submersibles, the barreleye looks like something from a science fiction movie. A glowing head, eyes floating inside. It is both fascinating and unsettling. Proof that evolution takes bizarre turns in the darkness of the trench. The Mariana Trench is home to many species of worms, some of which are truly bizarre. One of the most unusual is the bone-eating zombie worm. These tiny creatures survive by feeding on the bones of whale carcasses that sink into the abyss. They have no mouths, no stomachs. Instead, they rely on symbiotic bacteria to digest the bones for them. And now at number 1, perhaps the most terrifying of them all, the goblin shark. This rare deep-sea shark is often called the living fossil because it has survived for over 100 million years. Its long, flat snout is packed with sensors that detect the faintest electric signals of prey.
But its most shocking feature is its jaw. Unlike most sharks, the goblin shark's jaw can shoot forward suddenly, like an alien monster, snapping up prey with lightning speed. Its teeth are long, sharp, and needle-like, designed to trap fish and squid. Seeing a goblin shark for the first time feels like looking at a creature from another world, a predator that reminds us just how alien our own oceans can be. We have reached the end of our journey. But the truth is, the Mariana Trench is still largely unexplored. We have mapped the surface of Mars in greater detail than the deepest parts of our oceans. What other creatures still hide in the abyss? What mysteries wait to be uncovered? Perhaps, in the years to come, new expeditions will reveal even stranger, even more terrifying life forms. Until then, the deepest place on Earth will remain one of its greatest mysteries. This is the Mariana Trench, a reminder that our world is far stranger than we can ever imagine.